of games can do to make to remain playable for people who can't see all colors. This game has much bigger issues. And it literally it wasn't until the third or the second day of the jam that it even occurred to me, like, oh wait, I'm making a game that a lot of people just can't play. But as it turned out, I also really like the game. So it's a big hurdle, but it's one that I'd like to overcome if I can. Um, yeah, so a lot of games can. So what Bo said in chat is true for a lot of games, and like a lot of people could take that advice. For this game, it doesn't work, unfortunately. Uh, so, uh, I could try. I could try one thing. Like that would be really not difficult. I don't know. Yeah, let's. So. Yeah, I'm gonna double the palette length, and then this will be. So I'll just have the dim palette, so I can just switch between them. Alright, yeah, so save that. And then, yeah, basically anywhere we use palette, we'll want to change the index based on, so I'll say, wait, where's palette? Yeah. Wait, this is, no, this is, this is the old project. Closed solution. Also, hey, Don! Welcome, how's it going? I don't know how to interpret that, but, yeah, awesome. Yeah, welcome. I feel like oh, what is that? What's that about? Oh, sorry, my taskbar is being weird for some reason. And also monodevelop is being weird for some reason. Didn't I just say... I just said open IMA. Whatever. You weird. You weird thing. Actually, I'm just gonna close this real quick. Reopen it just to fix my taskbar. Thank you! Thank you, Don! So, yeah. Sorry, so we have our alternate palette. Let's edit the script. So that, yeah, so where's palette? Palette. Oh yeah, there it is. Alright, so oh yeah, no, I know what to do. Shadows. So int palette offset equals 0. Save that. So now let's search for references to our palette. So, oh yeah. Actually, I'm going to change the palette offset to be actually just PO, because I want it to be compact, petite. PO. Alright, so yeah, wherever we would use palette, yeah, let's use color plus PO. Or yeah, I'll just add. Okay, yeah. So, all right. Doop doop, derp dop doop, blurp dorp, blurp deeple doop, blurple deeple doop dorp, derple dorp, blurple dorp, bleeple doople dorp, derp. Sorry, I don't know. Whenever I get bored, I just like whenever I'm doing something mindless or that is not like conceptually interesting, I tend to just make weird face noises. This is something that I've learned about myself just recently. Alright, so there aren't that many references to palette. Wait, did I get... Yeah. Palette. Where's it? Oh yeah, palette. Alright. Cool. Alright, so save that, and then yeah, shadows. So now let's shadows is the mode with the shapes. So go find references to shadow. Oh wow, a lot of references to shadow. Shadows equals not shadows. Oh, okay. Yeah, so shadows equals not shadows. If what is it? PO equals 0. PO equals 8, I think, right? 8. Or no, 7, right? Because there's 7 colors in the palette. Oh, yes, sorry, I use OBS, I do. It's, so when I open a portal to another dimension by bringing my, streaming software onto the screen, it's because I brought OBS onto the screen. Oh man, have I touched my beard yet? Am I doing okay? Am I still winning? Thanks, Don. Yeah, I met someone who was kind of nice. I haven't seen them since. At a Halloween party I went to last week, I met a person. I was like, that person's nice. But yeah, I mean, I haven't like seen them since or anything. Actually, the reason I keep OBS around is for the preview window, so that like if I had like a I don't know, if I had something on my face, I would know. Oh. And yeah, if anyone gets seasick when I open a portal to another dimension, then let me know, because apparently I can disable the preview window apparently somehow. But I won't try that now. So right, oh yeah, so if P O equals 0, make it equal 7, otherwise or else. Actually no, you know what? If let's make this more direct. If shadows P O equals 7, else P O equals 0. Oh wait, actually no, wait. Derp, there's a much easier way to write that. P underscore O equals shadows question mark. And so if shadows 7, otherwise 0. Yeah. Derp. Yeah. All right. So save that. So now it should this should be easier to test now because it's colorful, and then when we switch over into shadows mode, it should be not colorful. Yeah. Perfect. Wonderful. So now the trick is to make this playable. So Don, you're talking about things that are, let's say for a more mature audience. So, please keep the content of your of what you say family friendly, please. Rather than like family oriented. All right, so so yeah, all right. So let's see if we can't turn this all around. Save the day, fix everything. All right. So my first thought was symbolism. So instead of using just like the gray circle for everything. Well played, Bo the programmer. Well played. That's really good. That's very well done. Alright, so, yeah, instead of, yeah, let's just open all these and see what we can do. Doop, 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 doop. Oh god, there's so many. Open with, where's open with? Oh, can't do that. There's so many though. With paint.net. So I don't think that's a true statement, Light Up Man. Or else I don't understand your statement. Oh, thank you, Russ Jr. Yeah, I don't know. I don't try and make the graphics special, but I do try and make them at least appealing, right? Like, I don't know. I try and make them like so that when you see things, it's clear what's happening and whatnot. She did not have a mask on. Thank you for asking, Don. She had a tiara, if that counts. Yeah, so like sometimes I'll say I'm not an artist, but then I'll usually catch myself to say I'm not a good artist because like anyone can make art. Like the difference between people who can make like professional art is just it's about skill. It's about skill and practice and like time and whatnot. So the only way to get that skill and whatnot is actually to make art. So yeah, like anyone who wants to become an artist, really all they have to do is start doing it, and eventually, like it's not going to start out good. It's going to start out crummy and like not good, but you'll get there eventually. All right, so why did you just scroll back? I scrolled all the way this way. All right, thank you. So yeah, my first thought was to replace these gray circles with something more iconic. Wait, hold on, let's go back to 100% for a second. 100%. These are all 100%, right? Oh, wait, what is, are these ones, like, huge? No, these are the same size. Oh, wait, no, these are the same ones. Are these ones? No, these ones are small. Alright, so these are the bigger of the two. Alright. Yeah, I haven't missed the elections yet, right? Just the local ones, right? I still have the big ones in a couple of years. um, huh. Yeah, that's a good point, Light Up Man. You can probably get a lot more, you can probably get a lot more precision that way. My mouse is pretty hyperactive. I just deal with it. But, yeah, no, if you're more serious about it than I am, then that would make a lot of sense. Alright, so I still want these shapes to be, like, simple and straightforward so that they're very, like, overt and, like, in your face. So my first thought is just to make a triangle, I guess. So straight line tool. I might keep a circle for one of them, and then just do like a triangle and like a square for like the other two or something. I don't know. That's I guess what I'm gonna do. Gonna try and figure out now. So copy, paste, layer, flip horizontal, move. And then connect bottom segment. Maybe I should make it bigger. Maybe I should make the triangle bigger than the circle. I mean, I guess I can toy with that in a minute. This is not Paint. This is Paint.net. Huge difference. Huge difference. Which I'm only half sarcastic about, because it actually is way better than Paint. But also because of everything we just said, like I don't worry too much about my art. I just as long as the shapes are representative and clear, then like thanks, Don. You have a way with words. You have a very special way with words. Alright, yeah, I think I might try and make the triangle a little bit bigger, probably. Or not. Nah, that might be good. Maybe I'll actually make the other circle smaller instead. Either way. Yeah, I wonder that too sometimes, TTK. Alright, so then this one would be like, oh wait, no, sorry, that's not the one I meant to do, this one. So huh. Bleep bloop, bleep bloop bloop. So maybe I should make the triangle slightly bigger than yeah, probably just ever so slightly larger than that. So it's like oh yeah, actually I guess the triangle uses more than the square, so make it like that, I guess. And then copy. Actually, I can merge that down. There, paste. Image. Flip horizontal. Oop, no. Layer. Flip horizontal. Perfect. And then close the lower part. Actually, I might just move that up a skosh. And then, yeah, tidy up the corner there. Oops, paintbrush. Oh, you can't paint opacity with the paintbrush. That's weird. Fine, I'll just do it. Oh, wait, yeah. Oh, wait, no. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Trust me, I'm a professional. Perfect. Alright, there we go. So I can merge that down. And then yeah, I guess the last one will just be a circle. Here's hoping that this helps. Here is hoping. Oh, maybe the triangle should be oriented differently. Maybe it should be like an upside down triangle. Would that be better? Yeah, probably. So copy, paste, layer, flip vertical. I'm just trying to make the differing. I'm just trying to. Oh, hey, look at that! Happy Hanukkah, everyone. Sorry. Uh, Wait, what? Oh, sorry. I stopped paying attention to the chat for a second. Uh, catching up on chat. Catching up on chat. Wait, is my window? Yeah, my window's on my left. Oh, right, because the split screen. Yeah, so yeah, this is my right side. This is my left side, and yeah, the situation, the lighting situation will change gradually over the course of the screen as the course of the stream as the sun sets. I'll become my only light source will be the glow of the screen. So you do have a very strong sense of humor, Dino King. Uh, all right, so I think I'm gonna try this. See how this goes. Hopefully it'll work. Hopefully. What just happened? Wait, why is the? Oh, because I'm spilling low opacity. Oh, that's funny. Oh, right, and I'm actually not even. Oops. Again, I'm spilling on the wrong layer. I'm not even. I don't even actually want to make these black necessarily. I just want to make oops, not that. I just want to make a. Is that? I'll just clean it up manually. I just want to make it so that. Yeah, maybe I'll just use brightness or something to brightness and contrast to make it similar to that other gray color. So all right, so adjustments, brightness and contrast. It might I could probably go slightly darker than that one, but I'll keep it similar for now. Whoops, just hit cancel. Oops. That's close enough. So then get rid of these other layers, and then save as. Oh, oops, that's not. Still need to fill that in a bit. Still has like some artifacts from. Actually, I'll just use the straight line tool. It's probably going to be the quickest. Let's get right up to the edge. Oh, wait, yeah, I have the thickness set super high. But yeah, that's fine. Yeah, whatever. That's good enough. Good enough for my tastes. Alright, so yeah, so flatten this, save as tile Y 2, I guess. Alright. Wait, what's happening? Don, yeah, I don't feel like you're trying very hard today, Don, so try harder or I'm probably actually going to have to time you out. I know you're trying to be funny, but you're not. You're being offensive. Or you're just being like awkward in a way that's, I don't know. I don't appreciate it. sorry. Back to what we were doing. Uh, oh, whoa. Why'd that turn? Oh, wow. That's weird, but whatever. Close enough. Oh, no, whoops, I put the square on the wrong layer. Oops. So actually... Yep. That is accurate. Those are all accurate statements. Alright, so let's try this again. Square tool. Right on top of the old one. Perfect. Alright, so get rid of this one now. Spill to fill this one. Seems good. File save as. Tile B 2. Yeah. Horse eBooks was a Twitter account. It probably still exists if you want to go look it up. It was amazing. It revolutionized the way we look at internet. I guess. I don't know how to describe it. So I hope this works for our purposes. Actually, I guess I can get rid of these because those will now be copy new get rid of that layer. Oops, no, get rid of the old layer. Paste and then new layer, triangle, all copy, paste, flatten, save as, tile O2, yeah, so Don, if you need ideas for conversation topics, I'd be happy to help you out. But like, some good ones are like things that are related to game development. Those ones tend to go over well. Yeah, I think if you spend some time reading chat, then you'll notice like what are the type of things that people tend to talk about. I don't mean to be super harsh, but like, I don't know how else to convey the message. Because I've tried to convey it less harshly on a number of occasions. So, sorry. Alright, so, right, yeah, alright, so I did one more, and then, I guess I can do, copy, file, new, paste, oh yeah, that works. Add new layer, all copy, paste, merge. This one is file save as. This is tile purple 2. Yeah, I tried playing Destiny. The thing I found most disappointing is that if you run around punching people, that works for a while, but eventually it stops working. And I feel like I could have enjoyed Destiny more if punching was like a strategy that they supported, like as a legit strategy. because I know you could play characters who can punch, but then but then you'd have to shoot at some point, and that did not appeal to me as much. So this is what? This is green, I guess. Yeah, green. Alright, so now we have those assets converted, and now what do we do? Oh yeah, so this will be slightly awkward, right? Because, hold on, let's see, open this one. Like these are slightly offset, as I recall. Yeah, right. So they're not going to line up perfectly. I'll just have to use these. Alright, I can close the compound shape, compound colors now, and then yeah, I'll just have to scale and ooh, yeah, I don't know exactly how this will work. Hopefully it'll work. It'll have to work somehow, right? So for example, copy, oops, copy, new layer, let's put it underneath, paste, keep canvas size. Alright, so it's half the size, so yeah, I can actually just do resize, or no, I'll just, yeah, wait, no, I don't want to mess anything up, so undo that, new, paste, image resize down to 50%, yes, there's advanced firefighting in Rogue City, but it just takes a long time. It doesn't really become apparent until the end of the game. For the first part of the game, like, fire is almost irrelevant. You mostly just avoid it. For the middle of the game, you can firefight, but you have to do it manually. And then, like, later in the game, you firefight. You're, like, constantly firefighting, and that's when your firefighting gets good. What is a Ludo game piece? What is Ludo, I guess, is the question. Oh, whoa. If it's this, then, I think my game has something in common, at least in terms of color palette. I don't know if I've ever played this before. Oh, this thing? I don't know. Huh. Oh, because the joining circle and triangle one, yeah. Well, no, I guess, so, Komega, you missed the point, is that, they had a fun game, and then they're like, hey, this is a fun game, let's make it require guns. And so maybe they were thinking about, and yeah, I mean, it's entirely likely that they were thinking about guns too much the whole time. That's something that the entire world does. The entire world thinks about guns way too much of the time. But if they'd stopped thinking about guns, they were really close to making a fun game. But instead, they made a game with guns. I have nothing against shooting games. For that particular game, they had something that was way better than that. And so, anyways. No, Team Fortress 2, GoldenEye, the original one, back for, what was it, N64? Bring it. I will destroy literally all of you. It could be all of you on a team against me. I will destroy all of you. I have nothing against shooting games, and there's some that, like, some of my favorite games have been shooting games. That one could have been way better. Shooting games are super dumb, though. I mean, like, shooting games are like are basically like brick breaker games. They require zero thought and like zero creativity. The part of the reason I liked Team Fortress 2 is that, like, it felt like someone was actually trying to be creative in a and maybe I would have liked Team Fortress the original for the same reason, but I never played that one. So like yeah, Team Fortress was like the first one that. So yeah, I am sometimes a hippie though. I have hippie. I have a hippie streak in me. Uh, thank you, Kamega. Uh, I might have been slightly exaggerating when I said I could defeat all of you one on everyone. But I'd be competitive. Not in that setup. Like if we played like a group match or something. Uh, I'd be competitive at least. All right, so I scaled this one. So whoops, not that. I did not mean to select everything in chat. I meant to select everything here. So copy. So it's. Oh wait, is that lined up? No, it's not lined up. It would be nice if it was, but it's not lined up. All right, so yeah, we have to. So now all we have to do is just nudge it into place, which looks like we've basically accomplished already. That was easy. All right. Should I move this up or down? No, down maybe. No. Yeah, that seems fine. Again, I'm not 100% about these, so they don't have to be like super perfect. It's just a trial. Save as oi oi 2. Yep. And then save this one as or do the same thing with this one. So I'll copy, paste, expand temporarily until we resize down to 50%. I find it amazing when people when people type in English, but their autocorrect gives a different language. I just find that so cool for some reason. So I know I'm gonna sound really whiny, but my chief complaint against Borderlands is that it was an MMO, except for the except for the massive part. Like playing Borderlands after having played MMOs for years, like they literally made an MMO except for the massive part. I don't know how to describe it any other way, but like it felt like I was walking around through an MMO that no one else played, because like it had all the quest chains lined up, and it had like the progression and everything, and like it had like the whole world set up, but then there was just no one there. And so having played a bunch of like really good MMOs prior to playing that game, it just felt like they made a really bad MMO. So like maybe it was fine in its own right, maybe, but I just had like a much different lens that I saw it through, and as a result, I couldn't enjoy it. I didn't even give it much of a chance. I did enjoy what I played of it, I guess. Like it was technically fun, but no, it had zero sticking power. So I was never able to really evaluate it very well, just because I never actually really played it. So Fool's Duty is kind of on the same page. Grindy, empty, boring, right? It's like an MMO without the other players. Um, what MMO did you play, Don? I used to play EverQuest, WoW, City Heroes. The original Guild Wars was not really an MMO. It was interesting though. All right, I'll play along. All right. Well, I'll also do this while I'm playing along. So paste the, whoops, new layer, paste this, yeah, and then just like nudge it into place. good enough for me. Let's get rid of this one. Save as. Save as OB2. All right, and now the last one should be fairly straightforward. Yes, it is. The tower, the tall one. Yeah, that one's definitely in there. I added it. Oh yeah, I added it this morning off camera. I added it late last night off camera because I didn't want to forget. So yeah, it's definitely in there. There's now 5 buildings, so the chances of getting a particular building. Oh, sorry, spoilers. Wait, why is it? Oh, the height. I changed the height while in play mode, so it didn't get saved correctly. All right, whatever. Whoops, spoilers. Sorry. Yeah. So now, now when you make a, hold on, I need a dude in order to make a building. I think I might have accidentally undershot the rate at which the city should grow. Well, we got a windmill, but yeah, hypothetically, we could have got a. Could have got one. It's feasible. I'll get a few more dudes, give it another couple shots. Alright, yeah, no, I made it too hard to get buildings, so it's gonna take too long to show up, but I assure you it's in there. Yeah, and it's all random. Like, it doesn't, like, you can get, like, you could play a game and get all windmills or something, but, yeah. Sorry for making it. If I make a new build, I can change that value so that it doesn't take as long to make buildings. I was just like roughing it out, and I accidentally made it way too big. Yeah. Oh, MMORGP. I thought you just typoed. That's interesting. What does the GP stand for? Huh. I don't think Pokemon existed when I was 7. Oh. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting the time frame. Light It Man, what was 7? When you were 7, what was it? Was that black white, or was that yeah, what generation was that? Cuz like Pokemon Ruby is like, I don't know, it's just one of those games that, whoops, I didn't mean to click that. Pokemon Ruby is like one of those games that I don't know. I just remember it really. It's probably not even as good as I remember it, but like it was like really great for me. I know, I'm so old. Light Up Man is so young. He's like, Light Up Man says stuff like, oh, this is the funny. I mean, it's not even that funny. It's just like he'll say stuff referencing age and. Oh really? So. You didn't like Ruby? Was it a remake of Ruby, or was it the original Ruby? Because, like, I don't know. I don't know, I liked Ruby. I liked it enough. Yeah. Well, actually, the reason I mentioned Ruby in particular is that I still have my Game Boy Advance in my cabinet, and like I haven't played it recently, but it was one of those games that like every few years I would go back and play it again. I don't know. What am I doing here? Yeah, save. Wait, am I saving it? I'm saving it as, right? File save as ob2, ob_2. Alright, cool. So now, yeah, which one aligns with these guys? Is it this? It's probably not this one, right? It's probably the other one, right? I'll just assume it's the other one, because they're the correct size and everything, too. So copy, no, all copy, paste. Yeah, that seems to line up pretty well. Alright, so I guess we can forget these, actually. Don't save, don't save, don't save. So file, open dot, new layer, paste, flatten, save as dot b2, undo, yeah, I can get rid of this. Okay, we can just use the same one for that. And so copy, paste, flatten, file save. No, I did not mean to save. I meant to save as. Oops. So wait, undo, save. No, wait, no. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm an idiot. Alright, whatever. So wait, file. Save as. I'm an idiot. No, this is Y2. Alright, and then, yeah, undo. Redo the thing that I just did that I accidentally undid, because I'm an idiot. Paste, flatten, file, save as B2. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we can evaluate this to see if this is better, worse, or hopeless. Hopefully we can get a decent sense of where to go. Oh, hey, CP1414, welcome back. Fecal face to you. Yeah, you keep saying Ruby Red. I'm not talking about... If you're talking about the remake of Red, then I don't care about remakes. Like, there was a legit game called Ruby. All Pokemon game stories are linear. That's not a fair assessment. Well, I guess it is a fair... It's a fair condemnation, but it's like... I don't know. Yeah, the Mustache Tower. N2Ater, when he made the Mustache Tower, he told us it was the final building of the game. And so I made it... it was TTK's suggestion to make it so that you trek out into the wilderness and eventually you find, like... Well, I think the original idea was, like, a rune stone to, like, save the day or whatever. But I made it the Mustache Tower instead. Yeah. You accidentally stole your friend's Game Boy? You accidentally? Did you accidentally kick any puppies and like burn down any orphanages too? Oh, Applied 823. Hey, welcome to the stream. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry, I was just catching up on chat. So wow, you guys are chatting up a storm. The number of mods does not indicate how many mods you need. The content of chat indicates how many mods you need, and the content of chat is doing fine. So, if you really want to convince me we need more mods, feel free to act inappropriately, and I'll just ban you. How does that sound? I'm joking, of course. I want you to stay because you are wonderful, and your contributions to chat are of course appropriate and on the level. But no, seriously, like we get along just fine. I don't think CP1414 has actually even used his powers. I think he's just here to like intimidate, I guess. Yeah, I am. Well, like as demonstrated with CP1414, I am taking applications for mods. So if anyone really wants to be a mod, feel free to write. Like please don't do it in chat, unless you can do it succinctly. Like feel free to just like write me a message or something, or like tweet at me like why you think you would be a good mod, and I'm certainly willing to consider it. But the other thing is like I just said, I don't feel like I need mods right now, or I don't feel like I need more mods. I feel like things are going actually pretty well. Swiss cheese. Hey, how's it going? I like your name. Um, oh, sorry. So, yeah, sorry. I'll get back to hooking stuff up in a second. Uh, so yeah, let's get back to. Nice try, Clyde. Um, man, I have to learn my Kevin Turtle. I need to learn my emoticons. I like that. I don't know if it's just with Better Twitch TV or if it works with all of them. But if you just mouse over them, it'll tell you what the emote is. I only learned that recently, so I have to start with Kevin Turtle. It's a good one. All right, so yeah, so. Oh man, I must have just skimmed over whatever Don said that was like cringy. How do I pronounce my name? My name, I pronounce it Binri, but maybe you weren't asking me. Where are all these images saved? They gotta be in here somewhere, right? Oh, Huole. Yeah, here we go. Alright, so I'm just gonna replace these with the updated version. So, oops. So yeah, who or wait, where did I just save all those things? Oh, right, I say, oops, whoa, wait, what? No, I think this, if alpha was transparent. Alright, yeah, that seemed to fix it. Alright, so yeah, so the who, oh, the R is fine, the B will update, and the Y will update. What the heck? Oh, because it's materials. Oh, right, okay, so I'll update the materials, and the rest of it seems fine, stays fine. Alright, so, thank you, I guess? I don't know. I don't understand that one, Don. Oh, this is the one that was cringy? I don't know what that means. I have no clue why this would have been an emote. There's no reason anyone should have ever made this emote. What, oh, no. Dat Sheffy? Interesting. Alright, sorry, so what are we doing? Yeah, so who will be, yeah, so this is where we'll update it instead, actually. So then, who OI, yes, the materials. Les materials. Alright, so, yeah, all these need to be, etc., etc. Wow. That's some interesting representation of alpha they got going on these, whatever's here. Alright. Oh, yeah, no, so for this one, I think it actually is the textures. Yeah, so for the rest it actually is the textures. It was just for the first ones it was the overlays. Or for the materials. So alpha's transparent, etc., etc. Alright, so now let's finish updating this. Alright, so .r is fine, B is B2, Y is Y2, and then for all of the, or most of these, we have to update these. So, whoops, so B, Uh, yeah, you know, I'll just use the selector thing. Simple enough. Y. Whoops. No, not what I meant to do. Y. Y2. Oh wait, no. That's. Oh shoot, that's the wrong one. Whoops. All right, so no, maybe I should do this. No, this is working so far. G2. B2. Yeah, because they're mostly adjacent. P2. All right, there we go. No, Don.